Join us on an exhilarating winter adventure as we embark on a camping expedition like no other. In this thrilling video, we'll take you deep into the heart of a snow-covered wilderness, where we'll set up our cozy hot tent and create a warm haven amidst the frosty landscape. As the snow falls gently around us, we'll guide you through the process of building our heated snow shelter, demonstrating the techniques and equipment needed to stay comfortable in even the harshest winter conditions. You'll witness firsthand how we transform a barren snowfield into a snug campsite, complete with all the amenities needed for a memorable overnight stay. But the excitement doesn't stop there. We've discovered a nearby hill that promises heart-pounding thrills for the adventure seekers among us. Dubbed the Sledding Hill of Death, this steep slope will put our courage and sledding skills to the ultimate test. Watch as we take on this formidable challenge, careening down the icy incline at breakneck speeds, with plenty of spills, thrills, and laughter along the way. Throughout our journey, we'll share valuable tips and insights on winter camping. From selecting the right gear to staying warm and safe in subzero temperatures, you'll learn about the importance of proper insulation, fire-starting techniques in snowy conditions, and how to make the most of your winter camping experience. As night falls, we'll retreat to the warmth of our hot tent, where we'll prepare a hearty meal and share stories around the portable stove. You'll see how even in the depths of winter, with the right preparation and attitude, camping can be a cozy and enjoyable experience. Join us for this unforgettable winter camping adventure, where we'll brave the elements, conquer the sledding hill of death, and create lasting memories in the pristine beauty of a snow-covered wilderness. Whether you're an experienced winter camper or just curious about cold weather adventures, this video is sure to inspire and entertain. So grab your warmest gear, strap on your snow boots, and get ready for an epic journey into the heart of winter. From the comfort of our heated snow shelter to the adrenaline-pumping excitement of extreme sledding, this camping trip has it all. Don't miss out on this thrilling exploration of winter's wild side. As we set up our hot tent, you'll be amazed at how quickly this portable shelter transforms into a cozy oasis. We'll walk you through the process of selecting the perfect campsite, clearing the snow, and erecting the tent with efficiency and precision. You'll learn about the importance of proper ventilation and how to set up the portable stove safely, ensuring a warm and comfortable living space throughout our stay. Inside the tent, we'll demonstrate how to create a comfortable sleeping area. Using insulated sleeping pads and high-quality winter sleeping bags, we'll share our favorite tricks for staying warm, including the layering system for clothing and the best materials to use in extreme cold conditions. As we venture outside to explore our surroundings, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the snow-covered landscape. We'll show you how to navigate safely in deep snow, using snowshoes or skis to traverse the winter wonderland. Along the way, we'll point out signs of wildlife and discuss how animals adapt to survive in these harsh conditions. Now, prepare yourself for the main event, the Sledding Hill of Death. Why, as we approach this formidable slope, you'll feel the anticipation building. We'll assess the hill, discussing safety considerations and the best techniques for tackling such a steep descent. With helmets secured and sleds at the ready, we'll take turns launching ourselves down the hill, capturing all the excitement, wipeouts, and triumphs on camera. You'll witness heart-stopping moments as we navigate the twists and turns of the hill, dodging obstacles and attempting to maintain control at high speeds. There will be plenty of laughter, a few spectacular crashes, and maybe even a few new sledding records set. We'll share our tips for maximizing speed and maintaining stability, as well as how to bail out safely when things get too intense. After our sledding adventures, we'll return to the warmth of our hot tent to refuel and recover. You'll see how we prepare delicious and nutritious meals using compact camping stoves and lightweight cookware. We'll share some of our favorite winter camping recipes, demonstrating how to stay well-fed and hydrated in cold conditions. As the day winds down, we'll gather around the stove to share stories and reflect on our adventures. You'll experience the unique camaraderie that develops when facing the challenges of winter camping together. We all discuss the mental and physical benefits of pushing your limits and embracing the beauty of nature in its most extreme form. Throughout the video, we'll provide practical advice on winter camping essentials, including choosing the right tent and sleeping gear for sub-zero temperatures, proper clothing and layering techniques, fire starting methods in snowy conditions, water purification and storage to prevent freezing, navigation and safety precautions in winter environments, leave no trace principles for responsible winter camping. We'll also address common concerns and misconceptions about winter camping, showing how, with the right preparation and mindset, it can be a safe and incredibly rewarding experience. As our adventure comes to a close, we'll pack up our campsite, leaving no trace of our presence in this pristine winter landscape. You'll learn efficient techniques for breaking camp in cold conditions, ensuring all gear is properly stored and protected for the journey home. Before we depart, we'll take one last look at the stunning winter scenery, reflecting on the memories we've created and the challenges we've overcome. We'll encourage viewers to embrace the spirit of adventure and consider trying winter camping for themselves. Armed with the knowledge and inspiration gained from our experience, this video is more than just a camping trip. It's a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt, persevere, and find joy in even the most challenging environments. From the warmth of our hot tent to the exhilaration of conquering the sledding hill of death, we've shown that winter camping can be an incredible adventure filled with unforgettable moments. So join us on this thrilling journey into the heart of winter. Whether you're an experienced outdoor enthusiast or a curious newcomer, this video will inspire you to embrace the beauty and excitement of cold weather camping. Get ready to push your limits, create lasting memories, and discover the magic of winter in the great outdoors. Adventure awaits. Are you ready to answer the call? Winter camping in a snowstorm presents a unique and exhilarating challenge for outdoor enthusiasts. This adventure combines the thrill of braving harsh weather conditions with the satisfaction of employing survival skills and bushcraft techniques. In this video, we'll explore the process of setting up a survival shelter and constructing a bushcraft cot to weather a fierce winter storm. As we begin our journey, we find ourselves in a dense forest blanketed with fresh snow. The air is crisp, and the wind whistles through the bare branches, hinting at the approaching storm. Our first priority is to select an ideal location for our shelter, one that offers natural protection from the elements while providing access to necessary resources. After careful consideration, we choose a spot nestled between two large evergreen trees. Their thick branches will help shield us from the brunt of the wind and snow. We begin by clearing the area of any loose debris and leveling the ground as much as possible. This preparation is crucial for creating a stable foundation for our shelter and cat. With our site prepared, we turn our attention to gathering materials for our survival shelter. We collect sturdy branches of various sizes using only fallen wood to minimize our impact on the environment. Long, straight poles will form the frame of our shelter, while smaller branches and conifer boughs will provide insulation and waterproofing. As we work, the first snowflakes begin to fall, reminding us of the urgency of our task. We quickly assemble the frame of our shelter using a simple lean-to design. This structure will offer protection from the wind and snow, while allowing us to maintain a fire at the entrance for warmth and cooking. Next, we focus on creating a thick layer of insulation for our shelter. We carefully weave smaller branches and evergreen boughs into the frame, starting from the bottom and working our way up. This technique, known as thatching, will help trap warm air inside the shelter and prevent snow from seeping through. With our shelter taking shape, we turn our attention to the Bushcraft cot. This elevated sleeping platform will keep us off the cold ground, significantly improving our comfort and warmth throughout the night. We begin by selecting for sturdy Y-shaped branches to serve as the legs of our cot. Using our Bushcraft knife and saw, we carefully notch the legs to create a stable base for our sleeping platform. We then collect long, straight branches to form the frame of the cot, lashing them securely to the legs using natural cordage made from tree bark. As the snow continues to fall more heavily, we work quickly to complete our cot. We weave a lattice of smaller branches across the frame, creating a flexible yet supportive surface. To enhance comfort, we layer this with a thick bed of soft evergreen boughs, which will also provide additional insulation. With our shelter and cat nearly complete, we focus on final preparations for the approaching storm. We gather a substantial pile of firewood, ensuring we have enough to last through the night and into the following day. We also collect pine needles and dry grasses to use as tinder, storing them in a dry area of our shelter. As darkness falls and the storm intensifies, we retreat to our shelter, grateful for the protection it provides. The wind howls outside, but inside our lean-to, we remain relatively warm and dry. We light a small fire at the entrance, its flames casting a warm glow and providing much-needed heat. Throughout the night, we take turns tending the fire and monitoring our shelter. The sound of snow accumulating on our roof is constant, but our well-constructed thatch holds strong, preventing any leaks or collapses. As dawn breaks, we emerge from our shelter to find a transformed landscape. The forest is blanketed in a thick layer of pristine snow, branches bowing under its weight. Our shelter stands as a testament to the effectiveness of bushcraft techniques, having protected us through the worst of the storm. We take a moment to appreciate the beauty of our surroundings and reflect on the skills that allowed us to not just survive, but thrive in these challenging conditions. Winter camping in a snowstorm is not for the faint of heart, but with proper preparation, knowledge, and respect for nature, it can be an incredibly rewarding experience. As we begin to break camp, we carefully dismantle our shelter and cat, leaving no trace of our presence. We scatter the materials we used, allowing them to naturally decompose and return to the forest ecosystem. This practice of leave no trace is crucial in preserving the wilderness for future generations of adventurers. Our experience serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of bushcraft skills and the deep connection we can forge with nature when we rely on our knowledge and the resources around us. Winter camping in a snowstorm challenges us physically and mentally, but it also offers unparalleled opportunities for growth, self-reliance, and appreciation of the natural world. As we conclude our adventure, we encourage fellow outdoor enthusiasts to pursue similar experiences, always prioritizing safety, preparation, and respect for the environment. With the right skills and mindset, even the harshest winter conditions can become an opportunity for unforgettable adventures and personal growth. Remember, nature is both beautiful and unforgiving. Always inform others of your plans, carry appropriate gear, and be prepared to adapt to changing conditions. With practice and respect for the wilderness, you too can experience the unique thrill of winter camping in a snowstorm, creating memories that will last a lifetime. In this gripping video, we follow the harrowing journey of an experienced survivalist as they face one of nature's most formidable challenges, camping in 12 feet 4 meters of snow during a relentless blizzard. Our intrepid adventurer pushes the limits of human endurance and showcases essential survival skills in extreme winter conditions. As the camera pans across a vast, snow-covered landscape, we see our protagonist trudging through deep snow, their silhouette barely visible against the whiteout conditions. The howling wind and swirling snow create an almost otherworldly atmosphere, emphasizing the harsh reality of their situation. Our survivalist begins by explaining the importance of proper preparation for such extreme conditions. They showcase their specialized winter camping gear, including a 4-season tent, subzero rated sleeping bag, and insulated clothing layers. The narrator emphasizes that in such severe weather, having the right equipment can mean the difference between life and death. As the blizzard intensifies, we witness the challenging process of setting up camp. The survivalist demonstrates techniques for creating a stable tent platform in deep snow, using snowshoes to pack down the area and prevent the tent from sinking. They explain the crucial step of anchoring the tent securely, using specialized snow stakes and burying guy lines to withstand the powerful winds. Once the tent is erected, our protagonist shifts focus to the vital task of creating a windbreak. We watch as they skillfully construct a snow wall around the tent, providing additional protection from the relentless gusts. The narrator explains how this simple yet effective technique can significantly improve the chances of survival in extreme winter conditions. Inside the tent, our survivalist showcases the importance of proper insulation. They demonstrate how to create a thermal barrier between the sleeping bag and the snow by using foam pads and additional layers of clothing. The camera captures the cozy interior, a stark contrast to the raging storm outside. As night falls, the blizzard reaches its peak intensity. Our protagonist explains the dangers of carbon monoxide poisoning when using stoves in enclosed spaces, demonstrating proper ventilation techniques. 8. Prepare a hot meal, emphasizing the importance of staying hydrated and maintaining calorie intake in cold weather. Throughout the night, we see time-lapse footage of the tent being slowly buried by the accumulating snow. The narrator explains the necessity of periodically clearing snow from the tent to prevent collapse and maintain air circulation. Dawn breaks, revealing a transformed landscape. The camera pans across a sea of white, with only the top of the tent visible above the snow. Our survivalist emerges using an avalanche probe to measure the snow depth, confirming the staggering 12-foot accumulation. The video then focuses on the challenges of mobility in such deep snow. We watch as our protagonist demonstrates various techniques for traversing the powder, including the use of snowshoes and the energy-conserving step kick method for ascending steep slopes. As the blizzard begins to subside, our survivalist turns their attention to navigation and orientation in a featureless white landscape. They explain the importance of carrying a compass and map, as well as techniques for using natural indicators like wind-sculpted snow formations to maintain direction. The narrator then addresses the critical skill of fire making in wet and snowy conditions. We observe as they create a fire platform using green logs, protecting the flames from the snow beneath. They demonstrate various fire-starting techniques suitable for winter conditions, including the use of petroleum-jelly, soaked cotton balls, and magnesium fire starters. With the fire established, our protagonist explains the importance of signaling for help in emergency situations. They demonstrate how to create high-contrast ground-to-air signals using dark materials against the snow and discuss the use of emergency beacons and flares. As the weather clears, allowing for a safe exit from the area, our survivalist reflects on the experience. They emphasize the mental fortitude required to endure such extreme conditions, highlighting the importance of staying calm and focused in survival situations. The video concludes with breathtaking aerial footage of the vast snowy expanse, showcasing the beauty and danger of winter wilderness. Our protagonist offers final words of wisdom, urging viewers to respect nature's power and always be prepared when venturing into challenging environments. This intense survival experience serves as both a thrilling adventure and an educational resource, providing viewers with valuable insights into extreme winter camping techniques. It underscores the importance of proper planning, equipment, and skills when facing nature's most formidable challenges. As the camera pulls back for a final wide shot, we see our survivalists making their way across the snow-covered landscape. A tiny figure against the immense white backdrop. Their journey serves as a testament to human resilience and the indomitable spirit of adventure, inspiring viewers to push their own limits while always prioritizing safety and respect for the natural world. The video ends with a cautionary note, reminding viewers that such extreme adventures should only be attempted by those with extensive experience and proper training. It encourages aspiring winter campers to start with less challenging conditions and gradually build their skills and knowledge before tackling such severe environments. This gripping account of survival camping in 12 feet of snow during a blizzard not only entertains, but also educates, leaving viewers with a newfound appreciation for the skills and preparation required to face nature's most extreme conditions. It serves as a powerful reminder of the raw beauty and unforgiving nature of winter wilderness, inspiring both awe and respect for the natural world.